So I think what I was saying is that, yeah, definitely use eyeshadow base to make your eyeshadow like stick to your eyelids the entire day. It doesn't matter if you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, or normal skin. Eyeshadow base, like, it helps you get like the best results out of your eyeshadow palette. And I like this concealer brush because like the tip is shaped like an oval, and so it perfectly fits into that rounded shape that we are creating for the cut crease. And so I put my eyeshadow base on the brush already. This concealer brush just makes applying your base or even applying your eyeshadow for a cut crease design so much easier. Like, the brush, it just fits like right in there so smoothly, so easily. Also, another good reason to use makeup remover to cut your crease is to avoid any makeup colors from looking muddy or from mixing together when they are not supposed to mix together. And so once again, this is eyeshadow base. I don't cut my crease using concealer because I have oily skin, and the eyeshadow, I mean, my oily skin and concealer does not mix very well on my eyelid. Also, concealer, when you're using concealer to cut your eyeshadow base, when you're using concealer to cut your cut crease, the concealer, it can make the eyeshadow color just look muddy and it can look messy. So I always recommend to use the makeup remover to help cut your crease. And next, apply your eyeshadow base to help bring out the best of the eyeshadow. And when you're applying the eyeshadow base, you really need just a little bit. Just a little. And then I feel like using pink and maroon, like a pink and maroon shade. So first I'm going to use the shade Rave right here. I'm going to use Rave. And so now I am applying the next eyeshadow, Rave, with my concealer brush. I just love how easy it is to pat the eyeshadow into your cut crease using this Bedellium brush. Like, oh my goodness. Like, yes. Super love it. And if you notice, I am gently patting that eyeshadow into the cut crease. And I like the length of this brush. It's, well, I like the length of the bristles. They're kind of long, so that makes it easier too when you need to pat the eyeshadow from the top of your cut crease, you know, down to the bottom towards your lash line. So I have this part of my lid. I'm going to leave that empty for now. You'll see why. And on my other eye, I'm still applying the shade Rave. All right, so and I'm using the same Bdellium brush 936. And so I'm going to use this darker berry shade, Totally. I have a habit of digging so much into my palette. I'm heavy-handed, so. And I apply Totally into that empty space on the cut crease. I wanted a shade that is darker than the neon pink. And I'm using that same shade, Totally, on my left eye. And I fill in that empty space right there. You have probably noticed that I'm still wearing the makeup tape, and I definitely still need to have it on at this point. So as you can see, that makeup tape, it works really good. I love the way that the makeup tape helps me to achieve the design that I want to create. And next, I'm going to apply some chunky glitter. The chunky glitter that I'm using, it's called Taste the Rainbow. I forget the name of the brand, but it's a brand that I found on Instagram, and they have this set, Taste the Rainbow. And so this is one of the glitters in the set, and I'm going to use this glitter. And I'm using Lady Elise Beauty Glitter Glue. This glitter glue, it goes on clear and very lightweight, and you need a little bit. It goes on clear and it dries clear. So I'm going to use this applicator. It's a glitter applicator. It's basically a silicone applicator. And I'm going to spread the glue like that. I'm going to put a little bit more glue. This time I'm just going to put the glue on the applicator. And this is a chunky glitter. And because there is glue already on the applicator, then I just dip the applicator inside the jar. Just dip the applicator into the glitter. And you have to move fast because this glitter glue, it does dry quickly. And it's very lightweight. So after the glitter glue dries, you really don't feel as if you put glue on.